Hello everybody, welcome once again to Dat Studio. In today's video we're gonna make kontomire stew from Ghana. In English you can call it spinach stew. Here are the ingredients I'm gonna use for my cooking today. I'm gonna use some onion, some tomato, some pepper, ginger, and some cut spinach. I will need some oil to cook, so I chose to use olive oil. As you can see on your screens, that's what I'm going to use to cook. Those are my ingredients on the screen for you to see. I blend my onion and garlic and some ginger together for my base of the food. That's what I'm showing you right now. And also I blended my pepper and the tomato together. That's what you're seeing again on your screen. Here is my pan I'm going to cook in today. So you let the oil heat up a little bit. When it gets hot a little bit, then you pour in your blended onion. After letting it cook for like 5 to 8 minutes, I add my blended pepper and tomato also in it. As we move forward, let it cook for additional 10 minutes again. The next thing to do is to add your tomato sauce. That is what I get on my screen right now for you to see. I'm going to add my tomato sauce to it to allow it to also cook. After adding the tomato sauce, you stir it and you cover it up for it to cook.
You just wanna hold it, don't wanna swim it over. It feels like you got it, you want your roller coaster. Don't ask me about my freedom, don't ask me about my wisdom. You want it, you need it.
After adding the nutmeg, it's time for me to add the spinach. So this is how it looks after adding the spinach to the stew. This is how I want my spinach stew to be. So I'm going to add some beans, some black-eyed pea beans, cooked one, and also some cooked mushrooms to it. So this is how it looks after adding the beans and then the mushroom to the stew. If today has been the first time you're watching Dat Studio, please kindly subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and click on the bell notification so that as soon as we upload, you'll be notified. So after letting everything cook together, this is how the end result looks like. This is our spinach stew with beans and mushroom. That's what you can see on your screen.